Famous animals. Just like people, animals too can become famous. Here are some of the most famous animals in the world. Flipper the dolphin did amazing tricks and also rescued many people. Francis the talking mule was a big TV star in the 50s. Francis was actually female. Ham the chimp was the first animal in space in 1961. His trip lasted over 16 minutes. The Littlest Hobo was a German shepherd on TV who always solved the mysteries and got his man. Black Beauty was a beautiful horse that everyone grew to love in the book and the movies. Marley was the lovable golden lab everyone loved in the movie, Marley and me. Skippy was a very intelligent Australian bush kangaroo. Phil the Groundhog comes out of his hole every February to tell us how long winter will be. Toto was Dorothy's lovely dog in the movie classic, The Wizard of Oz. Elsa the Lioness was the star of the books and movie, Born Free. Jumbo the elephant amazed circus crowds in the big ring of Barnum and Bailey. Jonathan the tortoise is 185 years old, the world's oldest living animal. He lives on the island of St. Helena. Lassie was the most famous TV dog of all time. His show ran for over 25 years. What famous animal do you know? Share why you think they are so famous and so fabulous. The end.